Hello, in this tutorial I will teach you how to create a tour and moderate a tour with GoThru and then publish it to your Google Street View account. So you just go to gothru.co and then click sign with Google, and the next step would be for you to connect your account with GoThru account with your Google Street View account. So you click on my profile and click on Google Publish. This will link GoThru with your Street View Publish account, and when the button turns green, that means you are okay to publish. So now let's go ahead and start creating a new tour. I'm gonna add in the business name. It can be an address also, and create new tour. Now the next step is upload panoramas. We're gonna just drag and drop the panoramas in here. So that will So the panoramas have been uploaded, and now we have to click done. And the next step would be to moderate this panorama. So we click moderate, and we end up in this interface where we have the unconnected panoramas on the right side, and on top here we have a preview. You can click and preview the image. And here we have a map. We can expand it. So the process is you start with your first image by double clicking it, and then you point you rotate the panorama to where the next panorama is. Now in my case, the next panorama is right in the door, so I just click on this panorama, and all I have to do is just connect these two panoramas, like make sure that the features in these two panorama are matched, and then I'm clicking connect. If I'm clicking F on the keyboard, I can flip, so I can go back, and also I can go back and forth front if I'm clicking the arrows on the keyboard, like up and down. So at this point we can go ahead and go to the next panorama that we've shot, and the next panorama was somewhere here, and we double click on it, zoom in, make sure the features are matching, then we flip back, the angle seems okay. I'm gonna go to the next one. Also, if you notice, GoThru is patching the nadar. Oh, the next one is here. Let's click connect. Going back, it looks okay. Click F on the keyboard to flip. And then we're gonna go to the next panel, align it properly, click connect, go flip back and see that we actually have a good connection. If not, then we just have to go on the map and just adjust the angle a bit. And now we go to the next one. Click flip back. That looks okay. And now let's connect the next panorama. Flip. Yeah, the angle is just a bit like that. We can drag on the on the panorama on the map like this. Yeah, the angle seems okay. And let's connect the next panorama. One thing that you can notice is when you use the scroll wheel on your mouse, you can zoom in and zoom out on the panorama, and that also reflects on the map. So that's the distance between the panoramas. Let's flip just a bit like this. Connect. Good. Let's connect the next panorama. Good. So always it's going to be very helpful if you keep the same direction when you're shooting. So if you like, the idea is to face one direction and not start shooting from different angles all the time, because that will make your moderation very, like, a bit more harder. Yeah, looks good. This one is a bit like this. Yep, so the connections work, and now we connect the last one. Okay, so now we have the constellation pretty much done. What we need to do is to, let's say, position a bit different. I can drag it around, and now we can save it, and we can create a preview and see what we have done. The preview is slow, and the quality of the preview is not that great because it's a preview, is not a real tour. It cannot be used for as a hosted tour by GoThru or something like that. So everything seems to be working okay. So now we're gonna just reload the page here. I'm gonna see that the constellation is correct, and yeah, the next step is for us to go ahead and publish the tour. So just click publish to Google. Then if there are any issues, they will be announced here. It will be in red if there is anything that will prevent you to publish the tour, and then click on publish your tour to Google Street View. And then